Welcome to 235 St Georges Terrace, Perth. This building has 12 floors and has ground floor retail with 9 levels of commercial office space. This video will outline the emergency life safety features and emergency response guidelines for your building, showing you what to do and where to go in an emergency. This building is equipped with an occupant warning system, fire smoke detection apparatus, firefighting equipment, emergency lighting and emergency exits. In an emergency, you must listen for specific generated emergency signals and announcements to assist you. This is the alert signal. When you hear the alert signal, you must log off your computer, secure any valuables and documents, and prepare to evacuate the building. Look around for your nearest emergency exit. This is the evacuation signal.
Evacuate as directed. Evacuate as directed.
When you hear the evacuation signal, you must evacuate immediately via the nearest emergency exit. Do not use lifts unless instructed to do so by your wardens. If someone cannot evacuate for disability reasons, move them to an emergency exit and inform the floor warden of their location. Wardens will check all areas of the building to ensure that everyone evacuates safely. The chief warden may make announcements regarding the emergency before or during your evacuation. Listen carefully to and follow their instructions. Ensure whatever belongings you intend to take with you are in your possession now. Do not take anything that may compromise yours or anybody else's safety within the emergency stairwells and exits. Follow any instructions given to you by your wardens. Proceed in a safe and orderly manner to the external evacuation assembly area. Do not re-enter the building until given the all clear to do so by the chief warden or the emergency services. If you discover fire or smoke, RACE. Remove people from the immediate danger area. Alert others in the vicinity of the fire or danger. Raise the alarm, call 000 and ask for the fire brigade. Confine the smoke or fire or other threat of danger. Close all doors behind you and where practical, windows. Extinguish or evacuate. Only attempt to extinguish the fire if it is safe to do so, and you have been trained in the use of the equipment. Extinguish applies to small fires only. To use an extinguisher, check the safety label to ensure you have the correct type of extinguisher. These images will assist you. Pull the pin and test. Aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze the operating handle. Sweep from side to side. Only operate an extinguisher if it is safe to do so and you have a clear escape path. When making your way to the evacuation assembly area, please walk calmly, safely, and follow the following safety tips. Always use pedestrian crossings when crossing the road. Check for vehicles turning at intersections before you cross the road, even if you have right-of-way. Never assume an approaching driver or rider will stop for you. Never cross the road from behind parked or vehicles stopped in traffic. Avoid using a mobile phone or headphones when you cross the road. Your building's external evacuation assembly area is the Florence Hummerston Reserve. The secondary external evacuation assembly area is in the Mount Street cul-de-sac. This is your evacuation path. When you reach the evacuation assembly area, you must remain there until the all clear is given. Remain in your work group to assist the wardens to account for everyone. Any missing persons are to be reported to your floor warden, the assembly area warden, or the arriving emergency services. Knowing what to do in an emergency will ensure that your stay in this building is a safe one for you and your co-workers.